Welcome to the Wellman School at Old Jefferson Town. The Wellman School, or Jefferson County School District Number 79, was formed in 1871, and school was held in a log structure until 1887, when this building was raised on the homestead of Mr. Harrison Wellman in southeast Jefferson County. The building was moved to Old Jefferson Town in 1970 and was added to the One Room Schoolhouse registry in 2009. This school was typical of Midwestern schools from the time. It is furnished with all the amenities of its era: wood and iron desks, slate boards and chalk, recitation bench, lunch boxes, wood-burning stove, and a water pail and dipper for all to share. Let's try some trivia. How many school districts did Jefferson County, Kansas have at one time? If you guessed 100, you're correct. Check out our school district map in our research library in the Kilgore and Plum Grove schools, or number 6 on the map. In 2011, Mike Nichols, Mark Nichols, and Dylan Grother built a footbridge leading to the school with materials that were milled and donated by Westar Energy of Kansas. And in 2012, the footbridge was dedicated to the efforts of charter members of the Jefferson County Historical Society. To the right or south of the Wellman School is our newest addition. The outhouse was originally southeast of McLouth as part of Woodstock School District Number 48. It was later moved to the Ridgway family farm and in 2024 moved to Old Jefferson Town. Look inside to see the double surprise. Thank you to our awesome volunteers for moving the outhouse as well as refurbishing it. It looks great. A really neat thing happened when the volunteers started to paint the outhouse. Several initials popped out. Here are a couple of them. One looks like MR, I'm guessing maybe something Ridgway, and another one JDP, maybe John Petrie. Who knows? But check out the back side of the outhouse. The Jefferson County Historical Society and Old Jefferson Town would like to thank the Ridgway family for their donation of the outhouse. Thank you. Thank you for visiting the Wellman School and the outhouse from Woodstock School. You're currently located at 14 and 15 on the map. And if you need a larger map, again, a wood one is located in front of the jail, or number 3.